Hey, it's Kenji. I'm gonna make some pad kanamu crab. Actually, pad kind pancetta crab is what I'm making, because normally this is a dish of stir-fried pork belly, crispy pork belly with Chinese broccoli. It's a Thai dish, but I'm making it actually with some of sous chef Eric's pancetta here, so it's a slightly different dish, but I think it's equally delicious. So normally you would have almost sort of equal parts pork belly and broccoli, but I'm doing this with much more broccoli than pork belly, just because, well, I felt like it today. This is pancetta. You could use bacon, you could use fresh pork belly, you could use salt pork, or if you have access to it, if you have access to it, you can get that fried crispy pork belly from a Chinese market or from a Thai market. Another thing you could do this with is something like char siu, Chinese char siu, like roasted barbecue pork. That would be good here too. Honestly, you don't even really need the pork element if you don't want it, but I like it. So we're stir frying over relatively low heat, not too hot here. I do have this high output burner, but I'm not doing anything more than what a normal home burner could do right now. A lot of Thai dishes don't require that super high heat that certain, Cantonese or other types of Chinese stir fries do. Some of them do, of course, like pad see ew requires very high heat, Thai fried rice does, but a lot of Thai dishes don't, which makes them very friendly for home cooking. All right, so we got that fat rendered out. Now I'm gonna add it's like 5 cloves of garlic, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Then just gonna, we don't want it really brown, we just want it to kind of flavor that oil there. Okay, now I got these pickled chilies. You can use pickled chilies or fresh chilies, Fresno or Thai bird or red serrano, red jalapeno. Honestly, any kind of chili will work. And then this is broccoli, that Chinese broccoli that I've chopped up the leaves and cut the stems into sort of relatively small slivers, not huge pieces. And this cooks fast, so this is almost done. So basically, you want this to lightly wilt. The beauty of this dish is that the broccoli stays nice and crisp. Everything is kind of crisp. You got to serve it fresh. And then this is the sauce. It's a mixture of oyster sauce. This is about 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and about 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you'd like, you can also add some fish sauce to here. That would not be out of place. And that's basically it. We're gonna stir this together until it's slightly wilted. I'm gonna shut off the heat completely now. Just let it finish on the residual heat. Taste that real quick. Delightful. So if you do this with like enough pork belly, it becomes a sort of a, all-in-one dish. You would just serve this with some rice, and that's a meal. Today we're probably gonna have it as a side dish or something else. Or actually, we're gonna eat it right now, and then I'll cook something later for more dinner. We'll do double dinners today. All right, and there we have it. Kana pancetta crab, or kind of bacon crab you could do, or kind of moo crab, whatever you feel like doing. All right, guys, gals, non-binary pals, I'll see you next time. Bye.